Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a reminder to your Google Calendar application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on this plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Now click on Reminder, which is the second button. Here you need to type in the topic of the reminder. Then you need to select whether it is an all-day activity, or by clicking on this button you can select the exact date or time of this. You need to select it from the calendar, and then you can also add the hour, and then you can also select if you don't want this reminder to be repeated, so that if you would like to set it as a one-time reminder. So if you are done with selecting all these options, all you have to do in order to save these information is pressing the button Save in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, the reminder appeared here, so you will be reminded about this activity that you need to accomplish. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.